Hi everyone, Abhishek Patel side. I welcome you in the very new video of Nirvana Trading Academy. So in this video, we are going to discuss about my today's trades that are based on bottom fishing concept and recurrent bounce setup. So this is 24650 call option. If you will see the price, that is 141. If you will see the timing, that is 1101. So we entered at 1101 at the price of 141 and we exited this at 166 at the timing of 11:15 ये रहा हमारा bottom fishing concept के through ये trade है हमारा. Now let's discuss about the second trade that is based on dead cat bounce setup. So this is 24850 put option. If you will see the price, that is 116. If you will see the timing, that is 12:18 candle close. Now let's discuss about the exit. So we exited this trade at 130 at the timing of 12:35. Now let's discuss about the trade logic in a very quick forward manner. First of all, let me discuss about the advanced Fibonacci. Guys, bottom fishing concept, what does it mean? If you will see, the price is sustaining above the first retracement of downside impulse. What does it mean? It means now the downtrend is average. The downtrend is average. Now you can simply take your trades in this area. Now you have to exit your trade at this area. That is all about bottom fishing concept. There are some custom indicators, oscillators that you need to use, right? Now let's talk about the dead cat bounce setup, second trade. So I was looking for some negativity at this top level because already the market stretched itself towards this level. So I was looking for a proper healthy bear candle that I got right here. So I entered at this area and I booked my profit in this area. Now let's discuss about the options chart. What was happening on the options chart? So first of all, if you will see, we are having our custom indicator constant right here, and I entered right here. So this is 24650 call option. Now let's discuss about the 24850 put option. So we are having our custom indicator constant right here, that is 1220, and I entered at 1218. So this is how my system works. This is how I use advanced price action and my custom indicators, oscillators, advanced Fibonacci, my tools and indicators for my betterment. So if you want to learn such things, if you want to learn this concept, you can simply WhatsApp me. That's all I have to say. Thank you so much. Jai Sri Ram.